I am walking through the streets of Hanover. Well, Lucea, Hanover right now. It is the day after. It is business as usual. Everybody back out. Some in their colors, some not in their colors. And nothing is happening. Normal things, as my nephew would say. Normal. I'm getting some food. I'm gonna get some fruits and get some work done. And that's it for the streets of Lucea today. Then pretty up the look up municipal building. The next one across the road, pretty up too. Very patriotic. Walk on the inside here, so that's a Hanover Municipal Corporation. The tax office is straight ahead of me, where they take care of all of your driver's license and TRA needs. Over there is where they take care of your social security. Oh, I need to go in and ask them how long they take to do a NIS. I'm gonna go over there. So it is so weird that this bakery is right out in the street, like literally there's no sidewalk. If you want to be safe, you have to walk through. You'd have to walk through the bakery for the sidewalk. That is hilarious.